Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, today I am here to talk about these cocoa fiber natural coir trays for seed germination. As all of you know, I try to save the environment in my own little ways. Some of them are not throwing out my kitchen waste, thus increasing the landfills, but using it in making compost and not using any chemical fertilizer or pesticide for my plants, but using only natural ones. And another one is to minimize the use of plastic in my home and kitchen as well as for gardening purposes. So, when I decided to buy seedling trays, I had a lot of options on Amazon. And then I found these cocoa fiber natural coir trays for germination of seeds. When I looked at its reviews, there was only one review, and that was also a negative one. It was not at all encouraging. Even the star rating also was not good. But still, the environmentalist inside me made me click buy now option. But when I received these, there were 10 trays in the box, whereas according to the company, it was showing that I would get 5 pieces. So that was a bonus. And as you can see here, these trays are working very well. And I'm watering these every day. As I was a little apprehensive due to its reviews, I inserted one tray in another. So in this way, 10 trays were made into 5 germinating trays. And I think that worked well as I didn't find any problem in moving these trays from one place to another. I sowed the seeds in these on 29th June and today is 11th July. I'll tell you what all is this. These are the saplings of irregular leaves, and in the second half of it are the saplings of cherry tomatoes. These all are marigold flowers, plus in these two pots are again marigold flowers. In the rest of these pots are the saplings of coxcomb flower. This whole tray has gaillardia flower, and this one is having saplings of zinnia flower. I have been regularly watering these and still they are doing great. And 80 to 85% seeds have germinated, and that's a good number, isn't it? These are cocoa fiber natural coir seed trays which are 100% environment friendly. And I'm very much sure that I'll be able to grow the saplings in these trays in future too. I'll keep you updated about these trays by talking about them in my consequent videos as well as in the description box below. As I told you in the beginning only, I try to minimize the use of plastic. Although you can't avoid its use altogether, but we should try to lessen it as much as we can for the sake of environment as well as for our children and for the generations to come. Friends, I was excited about the positive results of these germinating trays, and so I decided to share it with you all. I'll definitely go to the site to write a positive review. That's all for today. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.